do what you guys would
All
like,
set.
but this is not financial advice. Wealth Charts has it, and if they don't, you could bet that they're gonna have it.
Yeah, they've been amazing. Their team's amazing. Rob's been great. You know, we love working with them, and yeah, honestly, they have
Yeah, I think
the
we even
best
have our
platform
live account with
in our
them. We're
opinion.
gonna have everything with them. They're amazing guys. So if you haven't checked out Wealth Charts yet, please check it out because you guys are gonna be more than impressed with how much better it is than all the other platforms. Yes, Wealth Charts has a daily lockout feature per account individually. If you guys did not know, so if you guys are like, oh, they don't have, like I said, they have everything that you guys want and need. I know they're working on some more things to make it even better. But if you guys are worried about the lockout feature that Tradeovate just implemented, okay, so did they.
Get my chat open here. Can't see the chat.
And if you guys look at the Trustpilot, I feel like the reason that Trustpilot is high is because of customer service. You won't get that customer service from TradingView, from others. Look at the Trustpilot. If you look at Wealth Trust Trustpilot, it's a 4.6.
Compared to everyone else, I know compared to TradingView and other platforms, I mean it's
Yeah.
a huge.
Actually, share your screen on
huge
that,
number.
Troy. Let's look at the Trustpilot.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to pull it up here. Let's get it up here. Let's see.
Yep.
Look at that killer 4.6. You know, it's a great platform all in all. I mean, they
Yeah.
do updates.
If you guys haven't used Wealth
all the
Charts yet,
time.
$20 for an account from FFF to get access to Wealth Charts. That includes indicators that you guys might not know about.
Yeah, killer phone app as well. So I mean, comparing that to
See that, guys? 4.6.
compare that to TradingView, you know, 1.5.
Oh wow.
Come on. There's no comparison here. You know, so we
Yeah, I
really
know
feel
it's
like
just what you guys are used to,
there could be a new gold
but
standard in
trust me,
place for
your trading will be
platforms.
to another level. I have people, Tori, telling me all the time, hey, if you gave me a Tradeovate account, I might blow it. You give me a Wealth Charts account, I'm going to get a payout. And I really do believe them. I do believe that they have all the things that they need in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and Robin has been working on a lot of updates you guys are gonna see soon. You know, it's gonna be insane. So I really feel like this is gonna be the gold standard here, like the Google of platforms, if not already. I mean, I just need to get up to par. They're even, you know, working for me. They're gonna be getting my indicators in there, making everything, you know, seamless transition from here to Wealth Charts. So, you know, it's amazing. Really looking forward to that.
And like I said, guys, we are getting ready to get started, guys. If you guys know anything about ICT, we're bringing up our boy Champagne on. Give him a big welcome. Drop a W in the chat for our boy Champagne.
Hey.
Champagne, how's it going? Doing good. Good to see you again. Good to hear from you again.
Yeah, bro.
You're all good. You're all good. Guys, so if you don't know Champagne, ICT trader, I feel like this is the most disciplined person that I've met. He's always organized, always on it, and he knows the business, guys. He knows FFF, he knows what he likes, and I think that's the perfect approach into this setup for ICT. If I'm being honest, being very disciplined, dude. Of course, of course. So, do you want to go into any breakdowns or anything that you'd like to do? We can have you share your screen if you'd like, Champagne.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do
Let's
it.
check it out. Yeah, go ahead and let me stop my screen here. Yeah. What's up, dog? I think I remember you from the event briefly. Yeah, yeah, I am. It's been a long road, man. I mean, I've been doing it for like 5, 6 years now. Finally profitable after like 4 years almost, but it's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Well, because there's so much, so many strategies. You see that you drop. There's always new things, but just getting what works for you, making your model is like the best thing.
Yeah, go ahead. Take your time. Guys, yeah, we met over in Miami. Champagne, he was sitting down. What was I doing? I think I handled a call. And as soon as I got off my call, I saw Champagne sitting down. I was like, hey, have you tried FFF? He's like, no. And I was like, I'm going to give you an account. I want you to try it out. And
Yeah, I
ever
remember
since then,
you
we
were
just
sitting in the
clicked.
lobby, right? Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, yeah, I remember that.
Nah,
It's amazing.
dude, I'm glad you did it as well, man. Yeah, go ahead, man. Let us know what you think. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
This
That's the
just a
best part.
replica. Yeah, when I
Yep.
seen everybody like doing the no activation and stuff like that, I'm like, okay, I see what's going on. But yeah, man, I'm liking FFF, man. I'm liking it
Dude,
a lot.
thank you,
My
man. Appreciate
yeah,
it.
Well,
my,
I mean, that's
my
just how the
community's doing
industry
well
is.
too. Yeah,
Thank you.
it's
Appreciate it. Yeah,
I
I
like
have
how
a good
easy it is.
community. I love that
Yeah,
they're loving it. I know a lot of your traders are getting a lot of payouts, man. I love it.
yeah.
One thing I did want to ask: what's your favorite account, or what's your community's favorite account?
Ooh, that's a hard one because honestly, it started off with Premiere. That was my
Yeah.
favorite account just because like the freedom,
Oh
and
yeah.
then y'all made it. Y'all gave even more freedom because y'all got rid of the consistency and the buffer.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You made
so
some
Huge
changes.
update, making it 5 trading days instead of 7. That's like
yeah,
standard now.
yeah, that's probably my favorite. But I don't know, man. I've been liking the Prime a lot too lately.
Yeah, the
because
Prime is also really good. They're both really quick.
yeah,
And if you guys don't know, haven't tried it out, Premier is a 1 day pass, 5 day payout, no consistency, no profit target. Very simple. Just get paid. And then the
yeah,
Prime is a little different.
One day pass,
1 day pass, 3 day to pay out, 40% consistency, small buffer that you could get to. Very simple plans that we made, and I believe that everyone is gonna be enjoying these plans. So if you guys haven't tried it
yeah,
out, please do, because you guys will be loving FFF.
for sure. Yeah, those two are my favorite. They similar, but they just I don't know. It's something.
Yeah.
It's a lot. I feel like it's a lot easier to pass on FFF and to get to payout. I feel like it's almost. I feel like when people run into trouble, even where I run into trouble myself, it's like almost too easy. It's too easy, and it make you like just veer off some time from your plan because it's so easy. It's like, oh, it's just 3 days, like just 5 days. But
It's not bad at all. And I
yeah,
think a lot of people will start. I mean, we're growing a lot, dude. We've doubled in users in the last month, I'd say. And we're doing some big changes coming up in the next couple months.
yeah,
And I believe that those changes are gonna
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that's the positive of having someone that's in business. My dad's a very big businessman, and that's the most important thing for him. So that's where we integrated the proper business into business. And I think we're killing it with that. By the way, guys, Rob Hoffman, legendary trader from Wealth Charts, just said, I don't want to take anything away from the great guest, Champagne Trades. I just want to let you know we just added brand new time and session lockout features overnight. Haven't even announced it yet anywhere except here. Not even our own platform yet, but for the FFF family. More features coming soon in a week or two. And maybe I'll come in here and share more. Working on Tori's indicator as well. So Tori's getting his own indicator through Wealth Charts, guys. Thank you, Rob. Guys, try out Wealth Charts. Like I said, $20 for an account. Heck, use code Patron. It's 80% off. That's $16 for an account to just try out Wealth Charts, guys.
I know, man. It's amazing. Rob's a man. Rob and his team, man. They're awesome.
For real. Yeah, put a W in the chat for Rob.
W Rob.
Or yeah, W Rob. W Rob in the chat.
That picture with 11.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, let's get into ICT. I want to learn. ICT.
Yeah, David, you got to learn some ICT, bro.
Tori's been
really
telling me a little bit, and I've just been like, I'm busy.
Dude, everyone likes to clown on it,
as well.
whatever. But hey, it works if you know what you're doing.
My boy 11 over here uses ICT too. I need to learn.
Yeah.
I did say that. Yeah, they're like, I can quit my job in 90 days if you learn ICT. I said, dang, let me learn then. Let me see.
Let me see. We could probably make you. Maybe it's because of the role. Let me see if I got.
Get him set up, Tori. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom, guys. Be right back. I drank too much water.
Let's see. Try to fix your role here. Let's see. Go in settings. Probably I don't know why it's not showing it. Will let you share screen right now. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know why it's not giving me the option to do it. Let me probably do it over here on David's. I don't know why it's not allowing me to switch the role here. Let's see. I don't know why it doesn't let me do his role properly. What happened? Yeah, let's see. Why? Mine isn't
Give him mod status.
Yeah, for some reason it won't let me assign it. I don't know if someone changed the roles.
No, shouldn't be.
Mine don't let me do it. Yeah, I don't have access to all these.
Go ahead and I'll make sure you can.
All right. Sweet. All right. You should be able to now.
All right, I am back. All right, we're back. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's working.
ICT time. My bad. Okay, I'm here. Can you guys hear me? I bet. Yes, sir.
On why my trades was winning, why they was losing. And me being a person I am, I'm like a research junkie. So I like to know like how I can get better. You know what I'm saying? It's, they be saying, well, people say, or the book say, or whoever says, nobody knows where price is going, which is true, but it's all probabilities. But with ICT, it kind of gave me like a clarity on like which levels price are trying to go to, why they going, why they're not going. And so that helped me to improve. I'm not trying to sell ICT or anything. I'm just saying like that's what worked for me, coming from supply and demand, support and resistance ICT. Just being able to have an idea, even if it's not 100% right, just having an idea on why this trade is failing. Okay, I can be better next time here. I can hold the targets here, stuff like that. So fast forward, right? I started with the 2022 model, which pretty much anybody who knows ICT knows about. And then from there, I tapped into ICT's market maker, which is his one setup for life. Mm-hmm. And I basically made my own ICT model that I call a champagne model based off of his highest probability concepts, which is going to be a power 3 and a market maker model.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's been good, man. It's been it's been a little journey, and I've been trading live with my group for like almost 2 years now. So a lot of them are in the chat right now, and they all trade my same model. The payouts.
Champagne from the chat.
Yes.
Well, thank you for coming through. What if we start with the giveaway? Let's give away a 50K Premier.
Let's do it. Whatever you want to do.
How should we do it, Tori?
Let's do Sam W champagne if you're from this group or anyone. Let's see, we'll just pick one out in chat.
And champagne, if you can see the chat.
Wheel ready or anything.
Yeah, I ain't picking it though, because I ain't gonna pick it. Y'all gotta pick it.
Okay.
That's already
giving FFF
away. 10 seconds, guys.
FFF accounts away in my group all the time, so y'all gotta do this one.
7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5. 1.
They spamming it.
1. 0. Like they're going so fast you can't even click. All right, ready? Let's see. Dave Chris. There we go, Dave Chris. You are the first winner. What was the account, David?
It is a 50K premiere, and I got Jay Whitway in YouTube.
Sweet. All right. Now you can write it down as well. So Dave Chris, you are the first winner.
As well as Jay Whitway.
Sweet. Send that over to me, David. You're writing down your notes.
Jay Whitway, please send us your Discord handle so we can get that account as well.
Bro, how do y'all read this?
Our eyes got used to it, bro.
Yeah, every time I log into y'all chat, it's going crazy like this on y'all live streams.
I feel like my IFPS just increased.
Your IFPS?
Yeah.
I see 200 hertz or whatever.
Hertz. All right, guys. We'll give those accounts at the end of this, but let's get started with champagne model.
Nice. All right, so let's just go to a blank canvas real quick. So I'm gonna break down two concepts. I'm gonna break down the Power 3 and the Market Maker model, two of ICT's best concepts. So Power 3 is just an open, high, low close of a candle. So every candle is gonna open up, right, with a little bit of accumulation. It's gonna swing one way, and then it's gonna swing the other way to distribute the body. So this is the Judas swing. Like the wick of any candle. So you see here, this is a bullish candle that I used today. You can see the wick right there. So the Power of 3 is, that's super important. That's how every candle forms, no matter what strategy you trade. So I look at this candle right here. I either look at the daily candle Power 3 or the 4-hour candle Power 3.
Oh, yeah.
So this indicator right here is golden for me. Obviously, you want to learn how to read the Power of 3 without an indicator, but it's like training wheels. And like when you're trading, you want to simplify everything. The less you got to think about, the better. So I use this indicator right here. It's called PO3, higher time frame PO3. I think it's by, I want to say 2 degrees. So look that up.
The Tom guy, I think.
Yeah, it's one of them. I can't remember because they changed the name of it. But yeah, so this indicator is clutch for me. I know some people who trade like fractal models, they have it to where it's like this candle and another one. But I just like the 4-hour and the daily candle, because if you're in line with that, especially if they go in the same way, if you're in line with that, it's going to give your lower time frame trade a lot of momentum. So that's the Power of 3. That's how that works. So a market maker model is basically like manipulation in the market, right? So you always see like this right here. You see like price accumulate and then it go down, it trends down to a key level, and then it starts to reverse and go the other way, right? So some people call that a head and shoulders if we talk in basic retail. Smart money reversal, market maker model, same thing for buys, right? Or a sell, market maker sell model, goes up into a key level, then starts to lose momentum and then reverse the other way. So I'm basically trading those two combined. I'm trading a market maker model within a Power of 3, and I'm using higher time frame. I'm using one higher time frame and one intraday time frame to give me that scenario so that I can execute on my lower time frame. So I tell people this all the time. My trades, even though I enter on a 1 minute or 5 minute, it's not a lower time frame trade because the structure is coming from the higher time frame. Because as we know, these lower time frames, if you blindly look at them, they're gonna chop you up. And if you're an ICT trader, it's so many different models that he got, so much different content. Like my boy said, if you can't put that into one system, then you're gonna forever be confused. So let's break it down from just like everything I was seeing today. All right, so we got the higher time frame. This is a daily chart. Oh, so wait, one more thing too before we get deep into this. I want to show y'all this because this is something that's really big for my trading, especially if you trade ICT or any type of narrative. This indicator right here, I'm finna give out all the free game. I'm not gonna lie. So,
guys, come on.
Yeah. So this indicator right here is super clutch. ICT everything. Um, right here.
Oh yeah, he's the same one. Pretty similar. Yeah, does all the sessions,
Yeah.
right? Like
Exactly. And that's super
yeah.
important. It don't got to be like this one, but I think it's super important for anybody who's trying to find like a narrative or a reason for why their trade's working
Yeah.
to know what price did in the other sessions, right? So when I put this on, this is giving me the Asia session right here. So I know what it did there. This is the London session right here. This white session right here is the pre-market session. So I can see what it did there. And this is the AM session. So that's where I usually operate. I trade in AM. That's really the only session I trade. Unless I want to like gamble in Asia or something, be undisciplined, but I don't want to encourage that. And then we got
Yeah.
the lunch session right here, and then we got the PM session. So all of these sessions make up the daily candle. Right now, I have this on 4 hour, but you can switch it to the daily. Um, the reason I have it on 4 hour is because this dotted line is the 12 a.m. open, so you can kind of see it open up, go lower for the Judas swing, and now it's trying to distribute higher on a daily chart because we're above the 12. So that's I use this just so I can see like how the daily candle formed. Like yesterday, daily candle was bearish, right? So it opened
Yeah.
up, it went down, it tried to go back up, and then it consolidated, not consolidated, but distributed down.
Mhm.
Um, here, open up, Judah swing down, taking out London lows, and then distributes higher to close the day in a bullish candle. Same thing here, right? Open up at 12 a.m., continuation. So just having my chart structured like this with this indicator alone helps me to see how the daily candle is performing or the 4 hour candle. And I want to be in line with that. You don't want to trade against this big ass candle because it's like you trying to swim against the tide. I know they
Yeah.
say the trend is your friend, and that'd be true. Now the other part to this is if you are trading against the 4 hour daily candle, then you are aware of that. So you don't try to hold trades all day and then it pull back on you. You can just find little pockets that's counter trend to get in and then get out if you know where you are within this candle. All right, so let's go to the 4 hour and I'm gonna show you all the confluences that I have. So these confluences, I put them on my Instagram, I put them on my Twitter, they're in my group. Every single trade I take, I take the same exact model. I'm not taking this model one day and then another model the next day. I'm taking the same exact model every day. I'm building a business out of it, using the same risk strategy, and I'm being disciplined with it. That's the only way you can do this like for a living. You can't be doing random stuff because you ain't gonna find consistency. So on this 4 hour chart, we got these two 4 hour fair value gaps stacked together. So you mark out the whole 4 hour fair value gap. So I asked myself three questions. Um, three questions is where is price delivering from? Where is price at right now? And where it's trying to go? Those three questions alone will give you your narrative for the day. All right. So where is price delivering from? For me, it's a 4 hour fair value gap. You see price go up, leave this fair value gap right here, dig down into it, look at the bodies. See the wicks get tricky, and the wicks tap into this 4 hour order block as well. But the wicks get tricky, right? This whole rundown was manipulation. So same thing. If you think about power three, right? It opened up here, it ran down, make everybody think we're going that way, and then it smacked their stop loss and go higher. So this is my main higher time frame key level, the 4 hour gap. As long as we're above like the halfway point, I'm looking to go long. So now we can go, and you can also see here too. It's like a gap in there, the body's holding. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. So that's the thing too. Time frame correlation, right? If I'm in a 4 hour key level, I want to use a 15-minute chart and I want to enter on a 1 minute. If I'm in a daily key level, let's say a daily order block, fair value gap, supply and demand traders, if y'all want to say demand, whatever. If I'm in a daily key level, then I want to use the 1 hour for intraday and I want to use the 5 minute for entry. So because we're in a 4 hour level, I'm going to go right to the 15-minute chart and I'm going to look for the 15-minute chart to tell me the same story that the 4 hour is telling me. So the 4 hour is telling me bullish because we went up, we came back down into this fair value gap right here. And the 15-minute is giving me that market maker buy model. So that same pattern that I mentioned earlier, down and then reversal, right? Down into a key level, trending down and now reverse. That's what I look for every day. So here's a 15-minute chart, and I want to look left and see, is there a 15-minute key level within that 4-hour key level? If you look at ICT's logo and you realize like it's a bunch of circles within circles, all that is saying is that price is fractal, right? Anybody who trade that know, like, same thing you see on a higher time frame, you'll see on a lower time frame. So that's all I'm doing too, is I'm looking for models within models. So on the 4-hour, now we got the 15-minute and the 15-minute. Look how these candles, look at the precision. See how these candles, the bodies are closing above this fair value gap over here, right? And then you scroll even further left, you have all these stacked down close candles. As soon as a bullish candle crosses that body, it becomes a bullish order block. So you can see, if we talking about precision, look at the wick of this candle. Comes right down to the body of this, right? And then takes off. So same thing over here. Order block, see the blue tag going across? Boom. So now, let's talk about what we got just to run it back and not lose nobody. 4-hour, we got fair value gap telling us price going higher. 15-minute, we got fair value gap, order block, market maker buy model telling us price going higher. So now, all we got to do is go to the 1-minute chart and look for the same thing. So now we're on the 1-minute chart, and you can see the curl, the V-shaped curl. So market maker buy model, like I said, head and shoulders, whatever, smart money reversal. Original consolidation, drag price down, make people think it's going lower, and then smack their stop losses, right? So because today was PPI, this is the 8:30 high, the news release from PPI. The news is usually manipulation. I don't want to get deep into conspiracy, but whatever they tell you to do on the news, do the opposite, basically, right? PPI numbers came out, price crashed down, and I told my group, 8:35, 9 o'clock this morning, I said, the PPI move will probably get taken. And I already posted a screenshot of me saying that at what time I said it, so y'all can go see it. The group already know we do stuff like this all the time. So I'm like, this is my target up here, the PPI swing high. So now this is when it comes to execution and being patient, because I like to wait on what they call ICT macros, which is price basically expanding at the last 10 minutes of every hour and the beginning 10 minutes of the next hour. So basically all my model is higher time frame correlation, making sure the time frames are aligned, and then entering at a macro. And then I would use something like SMT for extra, right? So on this 1-minute chart, this is a 950 macro. It got a little ugly, I'm not gonna lie. So I took a loss first on this same trade idea, right? Because we had this down here, we got IFEGs here, we had SMT on Asia low down here, and we got price tapping into these higher time frame key levels. So I went here off the IFEG, and then price chop the shit out of me, which is fine. But my re-entry model is SMT with an IFEG. So if we're in the same key level that we're in, that we originally tried to enter on, and I lose, or I close early or close at break even, I'm looking for SMT with ES if I'm trading NQ, and then I'm looking for some type of IFEG, right? Or fair value gap, order block, any of it works. So I entered here, and then I just simply got out here. I could have held here, but I didn't need that much for my, I just needed a passing day.
That's still good. How many ticks was that?
The whole, this one right here was right there.
400 ticks, huh?
Yeah, almost 400, like 378 right there. So that's, a risk.
That's great. Yeah, because it gets a little sloppy sometimes, like didn't the Bison fully respect that zone, but, still respect the range, it comes back into it.
For sure. Indices are sloppy right now. Just the price action with the war and everything going on, it's a lot tougher right now. And I be telling people all the time, like, win or lose, like this is still tough right here. Like these candles right here, especially because I'm used to entering like at 950 and it just go. But we got a lot going on with the economy, and it's just like, you got to kind of adjust. But these are the trades I'm used to taking, like holding all, like a lot of my group members, they just held that shit. I was like,
Yeah.
I gotta go on stream today. I ain't trying to have some crazy ass trade pull back on me. Like, let me just take the low hanging fruit. But this played out. It went all the way up to the PPI high, and then you see it in reverse now. So that's it. I'm just looking for a curl out of a higher time frame key level, and I'm looking for certain time frames to correlate. I'm looking to enter at a certain time, and I just keep it simple. I just rinse and repeat the same day or the same trade every day.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, again, thank you so much, Champagne, for coming on. We appreciate that. Guys, just so you know, this is not even the tip of the iceberg. So if you guys want to learn more, hit up my boy Champagne. He will show you everything. Very knowledgeable on ICT, guys. As you guys can see, there's a lot of wisdom on it. So don't be afraid to reach out to him. Join his community. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, hit me up. I'm an open book too. So even if you ain't in the community, if you just randomly message me on Twitter or Instagram, I'm answering every single question, like always. So
awesome, bro. Yeah, it's good to help out, man.
Guys, drop out some questions if you guys have any in the chat. While we do that though, I do want to go over something real quick. Oh yeah, drop your questions. We're gonna do another giveaway. Tori, what account do you want to give away?
Maybe prime account.
Let's do prime too, right, Champagne?
Prime, yeah, that's my second favorite.
50K prime 3-day payout. Once payout in 3 days.
Yeah, 50K prime, guys. So the name of the account is Prime. If you guys don't know it, it is a 1-day pass account, 3 days to pay out. It is a 40% consistency. And Tori, what's the drawdown on it?
It's normal drawdown. So like a 50K account is gonna have a standard, 2K drawdown. 150K or 100K account's gonna have $3,000 drawdown, and then 150K is gonna be $4,500 drawdown.
Yeah. On top of this, though, the payout is higher. What is the payouts for these accounts, Tori?
The payouts on the prime is pretty good. So it's gonna be every payout, every 3 trading days, you're going to be eligible for a payout, and you're allowed up to a cap, pretty much. A payout 1 on a 50K account, you're allowed $2,000 on payout 1, then payout 2 and beyond, you're allowed $2,500. On a 100K account, you are going to be allowed $3,000 on payout 1, and then $3,500 on payout 2 and beyond. 150K account, $3,500 payout 1, $4,000 payout 2 and beyond. So imagine if you stacked 5 accounts every 3 days, even a 50K account, every 3 days you can be getting pretty much 10K every 3 days on payout 1, payout 2 and beyond. You're going to be 5, 10, 11, 12, 12,500 every 3 days, which is just nuts. So
yeah, guys.
It's a really good plan. If you're accurate, it's really like a consistency plan. So, I mean, it does have a 40% consistency rule, but it's every 3 trading days. So it makes you be consistent for just 3 days. When I trade accounts like this, I try to go for $1,000, $1,500 a day just for 3 days in a row. And that's what helps me. So just lock in those 3 days, get your payout, and then just keep going. So,
yeah, guys, it's available on Trade-Evate and Wealth Charts. If you guys want to try out Wealth Charts, you guys might find that you're a little bit more successful there.
If you want to see the payout details, everything's here for the prime. I just sent it in the Discord chat if anyone wants to see.
Awesome. So, guys, drop the questions. We'll be picking one winner who drops the best question. We'll answer a couple, but we'll pick one of the best question we had. If you guys have any questions for my boy Champagne here on his ICT model. Is there a maximum amount of time that you're able to do a withdrawal?
A maximum amount of time?
No.
I mean, no. I don't know what you refer to by maximum amount of time.
Ooh, this one's good. OG Frank, what were your first struggles when trading ICT, Champagne?
Love that question. The first struggle was, from one, it was switching my mindset. That's the first thing you gotta do when you learn to trade ICT, and this is where a lot of people kind of get it wrong, is you gotta switch your mindset from, I want to say, it's the hard part about ICT is, and the reason a lot of ICT traders are cocky is because ICT kind of teach you to know where the market's going, and he teach you that on like a conspiracy type of deal. Like the market it's like set up against you. So switching your mind, like the reason that I would say for me, the reason I'm good at ICT is because I learned retail trading first. Because now I target my old stop losses. Like where I would used to put my stop loss for supply and demand blindly, I now head straight first at it. So I go in straight head first at it. So the hardest part is that, like switching your mindset to thinking that way. And two, the hardest part is the amount of content. It's overwhelming if you don't have like proper guidance because it's so much content. Like the reason it took me a lot longer to succeed with ICT concepts compared to like the people in my group is because I didn't have anyone to say, no, you don't really need this. Just look at this. Right. I was consuming everything and I was like cooking my brain cells. So I think that and getting caught up on one time frame. A lot of people who use ICT, they try to find everything, even with the 2022 model, they try to find everything on just one time frame instead of using multiple time frames together to tell these story. Once I figured that out, that's when everything started clicking for real.
Yeah, have some straight time. At first, it is kind of confusing. You want to see every time frame, and then you go, oh, 4 hour, 1 hour looks bullish, and then 1 minute looks like a reversal. So it's like it can be confusing, but you need to, But I mean, yeah, really too. I mean, it just gives you a lot of narrative and deeper understanding of what's occurring and follows A, B, and C. You can understand it's going to keep expanding. Instead of just praying when it hits a demand zone. Just I'm gonna buy right here. So that's what it does give you a lot of help with that.
For sure.
Yep.
That's also why I use time frame correlation. Like I use certain time frames together because I know that certain time frames pair up with other time frames. That way, I'm not just looking at every single time frame and getting analysis paralysis. I just look at certain time frames that typically work together.
Con. So in today's market, there's very manipulation due to Iran and crisis, U.S. crisis. Does sometime ICT don't work? I mean, there's always going to be that random Trump tweet and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's
Is that
inevitable.
a question you got? Oh, I got to
Yeah,
catch up to that. Hard right now. I'm
because
not
it's
even gonna
true.
lie to people. I'm not gonna lie. Everything is hard. It don't matter. Like I said, I traded everything. So whether it be ICT, support, resistance, supply and demand, like when the market is high resistance and moving slow and wicked and manipulated, it really don't matter which strategy you trade. Like it's going to be a little bit tougher. So you just got to adjust for that. Adjust your mindset
Yeah.
first, and then adjust your risk.
That's when you want to know when to sit on hands too, and know the environment you're in. Because even ICT, it's not go and trade every session every day. I mean, be
Facts.
really picky.
Facts.
Yeah. And then I have someone in YouTube asking, hey,
Mhm.
Champagne, what specific traits separate traders who eventually earn funded accounts from traders who stay stuck despite having technical knowledge?
Patience. Patience is really the answer. Like the only reason
Yeah.
people really fail prop firms, especially once you already have your edge. A lot of people do props before they are technically ready because they don't have a consistent system they can trust. Because like I see
Yeah.
questions in the chat about psychology. A lot of people's issues with psychology don't be psychology. It'd be that they're trading something they don't trust. Like I fully trust my model. I've been trading it for a minute. People in the group trade to get results, so I fully trust it. That's why, like when I get stopped out, I know I can get back in and fully trust it. But if you don't have a system you can trust, then it's gonna be hard with prop firms because on those weeks when price isn't real good, you're gonna blow your account instead of being patient and letting your edge play out over a longer period of time. So
Yeah,
I think just patience and resilience. No.
so true.
Yeah, for sure. Any psychological questions, anyone?
Somebody
Champagne, know a
asked
lot
like,
about psychology here.
yeah, I done been through hell with trading. So somebody asked about trailing drawdown, how you deal with trailing drawdown. You deal with trailing drawdown the same way you would deal with anything else. You just make a plan for it. Um, that's one thing. You got to make a plan for whatever prop account you're trading. You can't just go all into it like with the same mindset. Like Prime only got 3 days in this amount and buffer and consistency. You got to make a plan for that. You can't just trade it like you would trade a Premier account or a different account. And just take profit. Like, don't be trying to hold super large trades, manage your trades well, so that way you don't get penalized when price pull back on you. That's what I would say for trailing.
Yeah. Someone asked, how do you manage emotions during losing streaks or when the market moves against your plan?
Uh, just confidence. Confidence again. Confidence in your model, knowing that it's going to play out over a longer period of time. I mean, and that's easier said than done. Anybody can tell you that. Anybody who's trading like real money or put money into a prop, emotions they never go away. People want to act like emotions just not supposed to ever exist. I don't think they go away. You just get better at managing them. So I wouldn't try to like suppress your emotions or be mad at yourself for having emotions. You like have empathy and compassion, like understand you human. Like you're gonna
Yep.
get emotional at times and you just gotta control that. Put a plan in place to control it. Like if I know my trigger number. This is something I've been talking about for years in psychology calls. I know if I go over like 3 or 4 losses in a day, I'm prone to crash out. Like it's just a fact. Like it's just statistically probably going to happen. So I know like if I take 2 or 3 losses, I got to shut this down before it get ugly, no matter how good the next setup looks. So if you have a plan in place, you can kind of protect yourself from your weak habits until they become like stronger and become muscle memory.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Big time. When you evaluate whether someone is ready to manage larger capital, what psychological qualities matter most to you besides profitability?
How you carry yourself off the charts, I'll probably say. I mean,
Yeah.
you will know. I mean, you will know for sure if you're ready to scale up. It just depends on your life and stuff like that. Like you can't just have a good week or a good day and be like, I'm ready to trade more capital. That's how people be blowing their accounts and stuff like that. They get too cocky. But like if
Yeah.
you know you got a good system, like I can't even trade in the morning without going to work out, meditating. Like I got to be up at a certain time, go to sleep at a certain time. It's like systematic. So if you can do,
Yeah.
like for me, it's like mechanical. You know what I'm saying? Like everything kind of go together. My off the chart life mirror my on the charts. Like I know if I'm arguing with my girl or if I'm like not having a good day mentally and I go to them charts, I'm probably not gonna make the best decisions.
Yeah.
So you gotta think about your subconscious. If your subconscious is elite, then you'll be ready for more.
That's
Your
true.
confidence will be higher.
That's big time. And then someone asked, I didn't mention it because we got stuck, but do you offer Klarna for your course?
Do I offer Klarna? I don't think I do, but I don't know. I don't know if they offer it through WAP. But that's a
Come
good
on,
question.
guys.
I shit ain't that
Guys,
expensive though, so
check
you
it
should be
out.
straight.
The champagne model, as you guys can see, very wise over here, guys. So if you guys want information, you will be getting all the information through champagne, guys. Big W.
Oh yeah, man. You tell you've been
Big
doing this for a
W.
while, so that's good.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, well, let's give away that account. We'll
Let's
pick
do it.
one more question. This question will be getting the giveaway. So everyone, drop your questions. We're gonna give it like 10 seconds, and while you guys are dropping your questions, the person we pick will be winning the account.
Yeah, there's some good questions in here too. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah, the
I might
community
keep
the
track.
community loves this, man. They really do love connecting with everyone, our affiliates, and seeing, that people actually know what they're talking about. Some people LARP.
No,
Some
no, for
people don't know what
sure.
they're talking about, and some people
For
are
sure.
seeing things and they're like, "Oh, you could tell this guy's not knowledgeable." But bringing you
Yeah.
in here, you're able to, answer questions super fast, very simple, and I love it. I love it, and the community loves it, and we're only going to continue growing. FFF is going to get better, and Champagne's only going to grow a lot more.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna be super active in y'all Discord too. I'll be running. I like
Let
have
me
my
know.
own Discord, but I'm gonna be heavy in y'all Discord too. I really like y'all
Hey, send me an
community.
invite to your Discord. I'll be active there too, bro.
All right, yeah, I'll send you one. Sure.
And Tori, pick a question. Pick a question, Tori.
Let's see.
Best question.
So teaser's asking, how do you distinguish the manipulation phase of the Power 3 from a genuine breakout when the NY Open overlaps with Asia session liquidity level? So how do you see the manipulation at New York Open? Like what help do you just wait for it to take out previous session London Asia lows?
That's one way. So in a more like general term, yeah, I'm looking for one. This candle helps me like so much because you can see when the body start when price go down and it reverses whatever move it made and that wick right there and then that body start to show. We call that my group. We call that the money flip because that's the
Nope.
sweet spot right there. But to just echo what he just said, like you want to see key levels ahead of time. Like I usually mark up my charts the night before for my group, and then I'll put them in there as my daily buys. That way, I can wake up and see, okay, what did price run down into? Did it run down into a order block, a fair value gap overnight? Like, what did it do? Right? Or even at the open, what is it? If it's planning to go higher, you want to see it manipulate first. So you want to see it run down into a key level, and then you want to see it run out of steam and then start to reverse. So, I mean, it can get tricky for sure, but like knowing where your key levels are ahead of time and then also watching that candle right there, you can kind of see like, okay, price went to this key level. Now it's chopping, it's losing momentum. Right.
If we have like an inside
good.
day, right? Like let's say, because I think he's wondering too, like if it overlaps with Asia, doesn't take out Asia at all, would you
Yeah.
trade that or would you wait?
Depend on if it's SMT. If ES take out Asia, like today, so today it was SMT, which is why I took it. So you see in Q right here, you see this is Asia low. I got it tagged right there. So let's go to the 1 minute.
Yep.
It did not take it out. But when we go to ES, let's go to ES. You can see Asia low did get taken out.
Yep.
So I'll use that. Like that's obviously a form of manipulation. We coming off 4-hour gaps. We at all-time highs. We trending up on higher time frame. Asia low got taken.
Yes, and Q.
Yeah. Today was perfect. I mean, it was a little headache around this 1 minute chop, but today was like A+ for me for what I'll be looking for.
It's awesome. All right, and that is the winner teaser. You won a 50K prime.
50K prime, and all the winners just DM me your FFF username or email, and we'll get them credited for you.
Awesome.
Let's get it.
Shout out
Again,
to Teaser.
Champagne, thank you so much for coming through, man. We appreciate you guys. Again, tip of the iceberg, guys. If you guys want to know more, hit up Champagne. He will be teaching you guys. I hope he's your teacher, guys.
ICT, man. He's ICT go. I can tell, man.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
I freaking study ICT so much. Every video like 3 times.
That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, that concludes our time with
thank you for
Champagne.
hopping on, man. Yeah.
The Champagne model. Check it out, guys. Again, thank you so much, Champagne. We'll catch you later, brother.
Appreciate your time, man.
For sure. I appreciate y'all having me, man. Let's do it again soon.
We'll do it again. Trust. We'll do it again.
Some live trading it sometime.
Hell yeah.
Later, brother.
Awesome.
Peace.
Peace, dog.
All righty, y'all. He ain't BSing over here. He is right on it, guys. And on top of that with psychology.
Yeah, it pays, man. I mean, any strategy pays, but just having that discipline, studying, and knowing what to do, it's gonna help you out. And you can see what studying and grinding it out can do for you. You know, anyone can do it. You gotta you gotta be willing to give your all. Any trades, I'm long.
All right, guys. I'm gonna do one final giveaway for YouTube. I didn't get to that today. Let me see. Is it still live? Yeah, it is. Check how YouTube is doing. So if you guys want to go over to YouTube, head over to YouTube. I'm going to do one final giveaway on YouTube just to end the show today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm picking someone who liked it and who subscribed. So make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. Also, I am planning to do a merch giveaway. Only for U.S. members, of course, since it is harder to ship out of the States. But I will keep you guys updated with that. It'll come with like the hoodie. Let me get my hoodie.
A merch giveaway. We're working on new merch, guys. So we're gonna be working on
my hoodie. Carhartt
really
hoodie.
dope gear.
Look at this. Look how cool this is.
Oh, it's a good quality hoodie.
Good quality.
Where'd you get that, David?
Carhartt.
Only at FFF, baby.
Only at FFF.
Come on.
So we'll be doing that soon, guys. We're going to be dropping merch on the website, doing a lot of good stuff for FFF, guys. So you guys can rock FFF wherever you guys go. FFF to pay. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, hop into YouTube. I'm doing the final giveaway there. We'll do a 150K velocity. Give you guys a bunch of...
We're long though, boys.
Yeah, 150K velocity in YouTube. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. I want to see that blow up. Let me put the YouTube in the chat. Join YouTube. Final giveaway above.
Cool, we're about to spike all-time highs. Oh no, we're not. We're supposed to
guys, subscribe and like.
Let's go. Or London.
Wow.
Last giveaway on YouTube, David. Is what you said?
Yep. Last giveaway on
Okay.
YouTube. Got 39 on there. 42. Like and subscribe, guys. We are gonna make FFF TV keep on growing, guys. We will always be available, guys. Well, I would do a deal right after I buy you, though. Sorry. I don't choose
See if we
deals.
can catch this dub though, real quick.
Purpose. You see that? You know, I actually didn't know about SMT until a couple of weeks ago, right, Tori? But I hear it all the time now. Everyone loves SMT. Longs are cooking. Time it perfectly. All right, guys. In the YouTube chat, final giveaway, 150K velocity. Go ahead and drop a WFFF TV. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Spam WFFF TV in the YouTube chat. WFFF TV. WFFF TV. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. 48 people watching. Here we go on YouTube. I will be picking the winner with print screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winner is Benone. Benone 1988. That is who I had clicked on at that time. Thank you, Benone. Reach out to us on Discord so I could give you that account.
He's gonna get a what? 50K.
150K velocity.
150K?
Yeah.
Dang.
So today we gave away 250K premieres, 150K prime, and 150K velocity, guys. That is 4 giveaways on the day on Wednesday. I think we did the same on Monday, and probably on Friday we'll do the same, guys. So tune in on Friday, guys. Don't miss out. FFF TV is growing, and we're having a lot of fun, guys. A lot of special guests, a lot of special times that we have. We're gonna be implementing more things, guys. So tune in because FFF TV and FFF is just started. Just getting started.
Yes, I'm gonna be cooking up for you guys
All
all
right,
the time.
guys.
So
Thank you, Tori.
thanks for tuning in.
Good
Love
job
you
with the
guys.
longs,
Thank you.
guys. W
Hold these
day today.
longs.
Thank you, Champagne, again. You guys have a good one.
Great to have you on, man. 11. Yeah, you can even DM 11. I mean, you guys can DM me. I'll just give you credit ASAP. But 11, you've been doing it too, yeah? Yeah, DM me. Get your accounts credited right now. We'll get it. Let's see if we can slap this TP right now. Shoot. Dude. Diamond hands, 11 diamond hands.
11, dude.
Come on, we're about to slap TP right now. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, shoot, dude. I don't even know. Right? Data. Your data.
Tori, you know what theta is?
Theta decay, right? Is it like time decay or not?
I know theta from physics. I took physics.
We're about to right here. Come on, let's get a TP.
Let's see it. Final trade hit. We got 2 minutes.
Come
2 minutes
on.
left of FFF
On the
TV.
FFF funded too. Man, am I gonna get a payout, dude? Shoot. I am, dude. We're
He's gonna
lucky
rinse
I'm not
himself.
copy trading 5 accounts right now. I'm only doing 1. Oh, here we go. TP hit. Come on, let's end with a little
You can't
dub.
sell them.
Let's end with a little dub. Come on, man.
It's the sell limit.
446. 446.75. Dude.
You know, this is how Tori loses trades, though. I've seen it a couple of times where he puts like a sell limit.
No, it's not. The stop loss is in profit, so there's no loss happening.
I always tell him, don't put a sell limit. Just get out right before. It could hit, but it also can't hit if you're putting it. Like, you're up 134 ticks at one time.
David,
that's
how you do it, man. Come on.
Someone said, put magnet.
But Maggie, I'm gonna put something special on there. Let me find it.
Go ahead.
There's the freaking where is it?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing merch giveaway soon. We're gonna do a hoodie, a hat.
Oh, come
I
on,
just gotta
come on.
figure it out. And guys, any ideas? Our boy our boy 11 is our merch dropper. He's helping us out with the merch, guys.
Yes, he is.
So
Dude,
be
isn't
tuned
there like
in.
a
He got
isn't
good
there like
ideas. You
a
guys know that.
Yeah, honestly, if you
Shiesty.
guys, we want to do a giveaway for this too. Honestly, I want to see designs. I want to see some inspiration, what you guys would like to see even too. So if you guys want to start cooking that up, maybe on Friday, we'll do a giveaway based on what we see. You know, best ideas for that.
Tori, your trade, bro. You should have got down, bro.
Nah, David, just waiting for me to put the emoji. Yeah. What's up? Okay. Yeah, call me. Let's go over it, dude. Let's do that. Cause I'm looking around. I gotta start actually like making some renders for it, and we could actually maybe get some samples. Dude, yeah, send them to me, bro. I'm hyped.
I'm gonna be repping. You already know. It's gonna look sick, huh?
Dude. All right, stop out and profit, boys and girls.
Totally. All right, guys. FFF. Thank you guys for tuning in. We love you guys. Any questions for us? Let us know in the trader chat. All questions for mods.
Still a W.
Any no updates right now, but all right, love you guys. Thank you, family. See you guys soon.
Peace out, guys. Much love.
Appreciate y'all.
Much love. Tip the staff, yes.